What is the Pegasus exploit targeting Apple devices? A new exploit called FORCEDENTRY has been discovered in its Apple iMessage service. How does it infect devices and what should you do to protect yours? A new 0-day, 0-click exploit called FORCEDENTRY has been discovered in Apple's iMessage service, allegedly used by Israel's NSO group to install Pegasus spyware in devices including the iPhone, iPad, MacBook, and Apple Watch. The exploit was discovered by researchers at Toronto-based Citizen Lab who have been investigating the extent to which Pegasus is being used to spy on civilians, politicians, judges, activists. Citizen Lab has advised everyone to update the operating systems on their Apple devices as the exploits can potentially affect their smartphones and laptops till the update rolled out by Apple on Monday is installed. What are 0-day, 0-clicks hacks? These are essential hacks that occur without any intervention of the victim, using a loophole or a bug in particular software, the existence of which its developer is unaware about. The same kind of exploits were earlier used to install Pegasus in WhatsApp and iMessage. 0-day attacks were a quantum leap in the world of cyber warfare, prior to which spyware use such as Pegasus was deployed by using attack vectors such as malicious links in an email or an SMS that were smartly crafted to trick the recipient. How did Citizen Lab discover the exploit? In a series of tweets, Citizen Lab researcher John Scott Ralliton wrote, "Back in March, my colleague Bill Marks was examining the phone of a Saudi activist infected Pegasus spyware. Bill did a backup at the time. A recent reanalysis yielded something interesting, weird-looking GIF files. This is the GIF files were actually Adobe PSD PDF files. I exploited Apple's iMessage rendering library. Result: silent exploit via iMessage. Victim sees nothing. Meanwhile, Pegasus is silently installed and their devices become a spy in their pocket," he added. Marker also wrote, "We believe the FORCEDENTRY exploit has been used by NSO group since at least February 2021. According to Apple's analysis, the exploit works against all iOS, Mac OS, and Watch OS versions prior to those released September 31, 2021. How to protect your devices against Pegasus spyware? Upon discovery of this exploit, Citizen Lab reached out to Apple last week regarding the loophole, following which the iPhone maker rolled out updates to its software to address the issue. Popular chat apps are the soft underbelly of device security. They are on every device and some have needlessly large attack surface. The security needs to be top priority, Scott Ralliton wrote. Cybersecurity experts recommend that users always keep their devices up to date with the OS and apps updates rolled out by the developers. While in case of 0-day exploit, the cyber warfare industry may step 2 steps ahead. Installing such updates can protect from most other type of attacks. In case of the latest exploit, all iPhones with iOS prior to 14.8, all Mac computers with operating system versus prior OS X Big Sur 11.6 security update 2021-005 Catalina, and all Apple watches prior to Watch OS 7.6.2 are affected and require users to update the newest software rolled out by Apple. What is Pegasus and why is it crucial? Pegasus is a spyware developed by Israeli company NSO Group. The company claims it sells the software only to governments and government agencies and is marketed as a world-leading cyber intelligence solution that enables law enforcement and intelligence agencies to remotely and covertly extract data from virtually any mobile devices. Once infected, a phone becomes a digital spy under the attacker's complete control, extracting data such as passwords, contact list, calendar events, text messages, and live voice calls. It also gives the attacker control to the phone's camera and microphone and enables the GPS function to track a target. In July, Indian news portal The Wire reported that a leaked global database of 50,000 telephone numbers believed to have been listed by multiple government clients of NSO Group includes over 300 verified Indian mobile telephone numbers, including those used by ministers, opposition leaders, journalists, the legal community, businessmen, government officials, scientists, right activists, and others. Thank you.